I got 100th anniversary collection. Happy Meal. The Wish. How cute. Alright, let's see what toy I got. Oh, do you think I got, Sully? I don't know. Let's see. I guess I'm going to be buying a lot of these. These started to come out yesterday, so there's quite a few. Oh, Woody. I would like to get Mickey Mouse. Let's see what I got. Okay, first off, are these tiny little fries the cutest little things you've ever seen? Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see my toy. Alright, I got the cheeseburger. I think there are apple slices in here as well. I got apple slices. So, let's take a look and see what this is. Oh, hold on. Okay, well, these are all the ones I could get. Oh, get the Wish ones. Oh, the little goat and the star. How cute. Okay, let's see what I got. You can also get these. And these. Oh, there's many, many, many. But I did open the box. And the cool thing was, I got 2. I think each box must come with 2. So, I got 2 of them. And if you can see, I got Daisy and Shang-Chi. That's pretty cool. They're actually really neat. They're nicely made. Oh, cute. Alright, there's my other cutie. He would like to eat his Happy Meal. Hi. I'm gonna be eating a lot of Happy Meal. You ain't gonna judge me, you're just gonna love me again and again. 'Cause you're my best friend. My best friend. Okay, so quick note, the small box that you get with your toy Happy Meal, it comes in this box. 2 figurines are inside each box, but they're random, so you may end up with duplicates. You can't ask the McDonald people. They won't know what's in these boxes because they're sealed, and they just throw in the box. So you get whatever characters you get that they have randomly in those 2 boxes. So I think the obvious thing is you're gonna get, it's like a blind bag. So you're gonna get whatever characters, and then I guess duplicate wise, you could trade people online, or if you have a bunch of friends, you can trade to get different characters. But again, unlike other Happy Meals where you could say like, oh, what toy do you have? And they'll be able to tell you like, oh, I have the car, or I have the train, or I have the, Mickey Mouse or whatever. They're not going to be able to, because these guys were both too wrapped up inside this box, and this box is what comes in the Happy Meal. So I don't believe that they can open all the boxes to find you the figurines that you are missing to add to your collection. You're just gonna get what you get when you get the Happy Meal, which is kind of cool because, I mean, if you get duplicates, you can always give them away to people that that love these characters. But they are really cute, they're well made, and I guess I'm gonna be eating a lot of Happy Meals November. Enjoy. Okay, so on the side of the Happy Meal box, there was this thing that said, go to happymeal.com and you could play. So let's see, and something to do with the little things that you have. So I don't know what this let's play. Oh, warning. Okay, well, that's nice, or just whatever. I'm just gonna play. Let's play. Okay. Alright, where's my... What? It's moving. That is weird. By the way, I got Daisy. What? My tablet is on a flat surface, by the way. They just are moving on their own. Alright, now what? Select a world. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna take one of them off. Wait. I have actually no idea what I'm doing. But she fell off. Okay, do not know what just happened. I tapped it and tapped it and tapped it, and I apparently got everybody but 2. I did. Wonderful. 5 out of 7. I don't know. The weird thing is this Daisy moves. It's weird. All right, well, have fun. Oh, by the way, you can download other games from here. And activity sheets. Oh, draw together game. And then back to bursting with celebration, which is what I was playing, which is like a fireworks game or something. But this is actually kind of neat. You might want to download some of these creative games and activity sheets and drawings and everything like that. So could be fun.